Welcome to part 1 of our series on using the BorrowBox app. In this video, we will walk through the process of downloading and installing the app on your device and then logging in. Watch the following videos for more information on how to use the app. Before we begin, ensure that you are connected to the internet on your device and that you have a City of Bunbury library card and your PIN number. The card number is the one beginning with CL204. It can be found here underneath the barcode on your library card. Your PIN number, which is attached to your account, will have been created when you first signed up to the library. If you are unsure of what it is, please check here on your library card or come in and see one of our library staff members. Once you have both your library card number and your PIN, we are ready to begin. To download the BorrowBox app to your device, you will need to access the App Store. For iOS devices, this will be the App Store. If you are using an Amazon Fire tablet, it will be the Amazon App Store. And lastly, for Android devices like this one, it will be Google Play. You will then need to search for BorrowBox. Ensure that the app has this logo and then install it on your device. Once the app is installed, open it up. You can do this from the App Store menu or by tapping on the app icon. Once the app is opened, you will be greeted by this screen. You will need to type in Bunbury. The top option will be Bunbury Public Libraries as shown on the screen. Once you have selected that option, 2 more dialog boxes will appear. As we have prepared our card and PIN, we can enter in the details for both the barcode, which is the number beginning with CL204, and the password, which is your PIN. Once you have entered your details, you will notice that the Sign In box is now green. You can tap on it and the app will check your credentials. You will be taken to a Terms and Conditions screen. You may read it at your leisure, although it can also be viewed from the settings menu within the app. Once you are satisfied, tap on the green Agree box. You will now complete the registration process. To do this, you will need to enter your email address and a display name. I would suggest just using your own name to avoid confusion. You also have the option to receive both the library and BorrowBox newsletters if you wish. Then tap Complete Registration. This will take you to the app's homepage. Well done. For more instruction on how to use BorrowBox, please watch the other videos in this series, which will be linked below and at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please click like if this video was helpful.